Hi, everyone. So basically, first of all, thank you for having me here. The objective for me is to walk you through some of the innovative concepts that we're developing in the area of privacy and consumer empowerment. Trust Badge basically brings transparency and control within applications. The idea is that we provide detailed and clear information to our consumers on data that is being collected and the purpose for which is being collected. And we also provide consumers the ability to opt out from certain data collection, like, for example, in-app analytics. You might think that there is a lot of consent already managed by handset manufacturers and at the OS level, but the fact is that there is nothing at the app level in the contextual case of the app. So this is what we are providing through Trust Badge. Trust Badge is an open source component. You can take it, you can customize it, the color, the font. There is nothing to pay to Orange. There is no logo from Orange everywhere, so it's really available to the market. And actually, what I recommend is that when you go back to your desk, you talk to your developer about Trust Badge, and the idea is to create an ecosystem around this service. Today, Orange is basically implementing Trust Badge in all its applications to build transparency with our consumers. And we also have 26 partners committed to deploy, to integrate Trust Badge within their applications. Another concept that we're working on at the moment is self-data in collaboration with Think. This is probably the largest experimentation around self-data, which means that basically Orange, along with other companies, we got a utility at the moment and in insurance, we are applying to ourselves a share back policy, which means that we are providing that data back to consumers in their personal data cloud, which is empowered by Cozy Cloud. And not only we're providing the data, we're also providing consumers with access to a new range of a new generation of services which relies on the different data sources that we are making available into the personal data cloud of the consumers. We really believe that by providing data back, we can give them access to a new generation of services, and that's what we're working on at the moment, defining the use cases that can actually bring value to consumers. The last initiative in the order, but not the least in terms of importance, it's a privacy wall. This is a concept that we launched actually this week. It's in a trial with a few hundreds of friendly users. The idea is to provide control back to consumers over their digital life. And we basically do it through a set of convenient and privacy-friendly functionalities. So first of all, we give them the ability to block web tracking in order to stop passive profiling, basically, from third-party platforms integrated into the portal. We provide them with one place where to manage all their passwords. We provide them with the ability to stop spam and, for example, generate a one-time phone number or one-time password so that they can use in forms when, for example, booking an holiday or when booking a car, any form that you fill on in the internet. And we basically provide them with easy access to all the data that they leave on the internet in a proactive way, filling forms. They can search the data, and in future they will be able to also be notified by looking at terms and conditions, whether there is whether some of their data are being misused. We can also imagine to provide another, a broad set of functionalities around managing data that is being living in forms. And last but not least, we are providing them with a dashboard, which is a sort of a sum up of all the functionalities seen before. So many trackers have been blocked, how much data has been left on the internet. And we also provide them with a dashboard on sort of a center of interest that has been inferred based on their browsing behavior. This is by using some machine learning algorithms. And as you can imagine, once you get all these data in one place, it's very easy to provide them with the ability to share in a proactive and a very selective way insights and information with the brands in the context of a marketplace. So we're not there yet. So in the moment we are testing this concept with a few friendly users, but we really believe that there is a potential of building a new ecosystem around data thanks to these kind of tools. And of course, there is more to come. We're always looking into innovative concepts in the area of privacy and consumer empowerment, and we're also very open to collaborations with either startups or brands that want to tackle these questions along with Orange. Thank you.